Hey, hello guys. In this video, we are going to discuss about how we are going to set up our environment. I'm going to create a new EJB. You can do it in jDeveloper. Basically you can do it in Eclipse and you can do it in jDeveloper. So the IDE which we can use it. The first one is Eclipse and the second one is jDeveloper. And we have some IntelliJ IDE also, but the major two IDEs which we are going to use Eclipse and jDeveloper. In our tutorial, we are going to use jDeveloper because it's coming with its own WebLogic server. So we don't have to specifically install the WebLogic server. Okay, let's download the jDeveloper. Just go to Google and type Oracle jDeveloper 12c download. Okay, just go here and you'll have the download link here, somewhere here. Okay, it is not showing up here. Just give me a second. Okay, so when you accept, it will show the downloadable version. So you have to choose whether you are going to use Windows or Linux or some different operating system. We are going to use Windows 64-bit install exe file. Uh, I already downloaded the file, so I don't have to download it again. I'm just showing you where you can go and download the jDeveloper, and just download it. And installation is not a very big task. Just start the exe file and click next, 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 and then click finish. There is nothing else. You don't have to customize anything here because it will load with its internal components. You don't have to skip anything else. Okay, so that's the one thing. And sometimes instead of exe files, it will download as a jar file. Okay, when I download it, it is downloaded as a jar file. Let me show you where it is. Okay, so when I went to here, okay, see, so I used to work with Sova, so I downloaded the Sova version of jDeveloper. So it will come with a it'll come up with a jar file. Okay, so basically if it's a jar file, what you have to do is you need to open command prompt. Okay, and make sure you're in the proper path. See, my computer software development and jDeveloper, it is there in the same path. A simple thing, just type this java hyphen j or e. Okay, java hyphen sorry jar. Just give me a second. Java hyphen jar and space the file name. Okay, this is my file name. Just click enter, it will start the installation. Okay, so since I already installed, I'm not going to install it again. Okay, so this is my jDeveloper. After you installed, you can find your jDeveloper here. Go to program files and where it is, Oracle, under Oracle you have Oracle home. Where is it? Okay, Oracle FM 12.2.13. Okay, where it is. Okay, I don't have a patience to search it. Do one thing, search, type jDeveloper. See, Oracle jDeveloper Studio. Okay, so this is the one which you are going to launch it. Just click, it will open up a jDeveloper, and this is how the Oracle jDeveloper looks like. Okay, so it's come up with a simple application panel. So new application, obviously we know that if you are trying to create a new application, you have to click new application. Or if for example if you have an existing application, you just click open and choose the JWS file to open the application here. Okay, I'm going to simply create a normal project here. Just click new application. I'm going to create okay, what application I can try. Okay, let's try the Java desktop application. Okay, and you have to name it test application, and if you want you can provide some package, and it will ask you you want to use Maven or you want to use ant build. If you use ant, if you want to use Maven, just click Maven. It will create a POM file. Since it's just a simple project, I'm not going to use any Maven here, so I'm just using jDeveloper default build tool. And next, and here it's your project name, test project. Okay, and next, and default package. Okay, com dot guide me dot test finish. That's all. We have project created. When you expand the project, you won't see anything because you don't have any classes or Java files inside your project. Okay, this is how you need to download your project. Sorry, download the Eclipse and install it, and this is how you need to create a project. In the next video, I'm gonna show you how to create a simple project. Okay, and how it is going to communicate to the database. Okay, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Please do subscribe the channel. Thank you.